Aim of the activity is observing the types of images and measuring the object distance and image distance from the lens. To perform this activity, the required material are V-stand, convex lens, screen, white paper, candle and scale. Now keep the lens on the V-stand and place this V-stand in the middle of the table. Both sides of the lens measure the distance from the lens as 10 cm, 20 cm, 30, 40, 50 like this. And this side also 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 like this. Then place the object at various distances in front of the lens and observe the image distances and nature of the image formed by this lens. Let us place the object. Object is here candle. So let us place the object in front of the lens at various distances and observe the images formed by this lens at various distances and observe the nature of the images. Observe here, object is far away from the lens. This distance we can consider as object at infinite distance from the lens, and observe the image formed on the screen. Here blurred image. Here we are getting the clear image. It is blur. Here we are getting the clear image of the flame. See here, this is exactly 20 centimeters. The nature of the image is extremely diminished image, inverted image and real image. Object is placed at 70 centimeter distance from the lens. Now let us get the image. Adjust the screen until we get the sharp image or clear image on the screen. See here blurred image, it's also blurred image. Here we are getting the sharp image. Here we are getting sharp image. Right, the object distance is 70 centimeters and the image distance is from the lens to image. Image distance is 28 centimeters. Object distance is 70 centimeters. Image distance is 28 centimeters. See the clear image. The nature of the image is extremely diminished image, inverted image and images. We get the image on screen, so it is a real image. Now object is placed at 60 centimeter distance and get the image. Adjust the screen until we get the clear image. See here, blurred image. Here we are getting clear image on the screen. Blurred image. Here we are getting the clear image of the flame on the screen. So measure object distance is 60 centimeters. Measure the image distance exactly 30 centimeters. The nature of the image. So it is inverted image and real image. It is also diminished image. Now object is placed at 50 centimeter distance from the lens. Adjust the screen until we get the clear image of the flame. So here it is a blurred image. Here it is a blurred image. Here we are getting the clear image of the flame. Now measure the image distance from the lens. It is exactly 32 centimeters. Object distance is 50 centimeters. Image distance is 32 centimeters. Observe the nature of the image. It is diminished image, inverted image, and we are getting the image on the screen, so it is a real image. Now object is placed at 40 centimeter distance from the lens. Now adjust the screen to get an image on it. So here it is blurred image. It is blurred image. Here we are getting the clear and sharp image on the screen. It is, observe the image. Object distance from the lens, object distance is 40 centimeters and image distance also exactly 40 centimeters. And observe the nature of the image. Observe the nature of the image. It is equal size as object, inverted image and a real image. The size of the image is same size as the object. Inverted image and it is real image. The object distance and image distance both are equal. Now object is placed at 30 centimeter distance from the lens. Now observe the image formed on the screen. Adjust the image distance from the lens. It is blurred image. So here we are getting clear and sharp image. The image object distance is 30 centimeters. The image distance is 60 centimeters. And nature of the image. So it is enlarged or magnified image, inverted image and real image. Now object is placed at 20 centimeter distance from the lens. Observe the image it is blurred here. See, so we are getting the image at infinity distance from the lens. So we are getting the image at far away from the lens. So we can consider it, this distance as infinity distance from the lens. The nature of the image is inverted image and real image, enlarged and magnified image. Image is formed at infinity distance. Now object is placed at 10 centimeter distance. See here, we are not getting the image of the flame on the screen. This is not the image of the flame, this is the image of the lens. See, in this case we are not getting the image of the flame on the screen. When the object is placed at 10 centimeter distance, so we are not getting the image on the screen. So observe the object, observe the flame candle. We get the image. We get the image on the same side of the object. So the nature of the image is enlarged or magnified image. So observe here, it is erect image. And we are not getting the image on the screen, so it is a virtual image. The image is formed behind the lens. So it is a virtual image.